Here's a super simple way to make an extra $100 to $200 per day with your online business using paid Facebook retargeting ads. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified of all the lazy online business tutorials that I release when I release them. All right, guys, so in the past, I've totally overcomplicated this paid Facebook ads thing. I found a simple way to implement it here today, and what I'm gonna do is walk you through this and show you how you can start this right now and get to the money-making good stuff. So here we go. All right, Deadbeat, so first things first, I do not consider myself a Facebook paid advertising expert by any means, and that's exactly why you should pay attention to this video. All right, so in the past, I've totally overcomplicated Facebook paid advertising. I recently just was like, you know what, screw it. Let's throw some videos up there and see what happens. And it's working out for me. All right, so I estimate this is getting about a rough gauge off the top of my head, just based off of when I implemented it, roughly about $100 to $200 a day on about a $20 ad spend per day. Just to give you a walkthrough of how this works, you'll notice a couple things here. First thing I've done is I'm totally branding my name. It's very important today, especially with email marketing and personal branding. You have to really go nuts with branding your name. So this thing is doing two things. First of all, it's branding me as the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, so you know me here as that, and my name, Dan Brock. All right, so why you want to do this is because when people see your name, they're more likely to know you. No kidding. They're more likely to know you, and therefore, when you send your subscribers emails and notifications and new videos, this makes them more likely to open up your content and consume your content. So you'll notice I did that there, and in the video itself, you'll notice I've also embedded my name in the beginning of the video here as this is called a lower third overlay. So just to play it real quick. All right, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. In today's video, I want to talk about All right, so you'll see I've also branded my name and my brand a third time in the video. So that's the video purpose number one. Purpose number two is to just give out more goodwill into the marketplace. All right, so essentially the way the world works, this is probably been back to the Stone Age, like 10,000 years ago. Essentially, the more goodwill that you provide to your audience or to other people, that has a way of coming back to you kind of in like a law of reciprocation style manner. Now, not everyone reciprocates, but if you do this, if you reach enough people, it becomes very profitable when done correctly. So this video in and of itself is just a simple 2-minute tutorial. I do not sell anything at all in the tutorial. Only thing I do, by the way, at the end, this is what I'm testing out the difference here. I recommend to like my Facebook page. All right, so the benefit of that is I'm also growing my Facebook page as well for very literally pennies on the dollar here. Totally worth it in that regard. But more importantly, the reason why I think this is making money is because when people opt into if you opt in and get my free guide, for example, I give out free videos along the way each day, which give more content. And what I'm doing is I'm essentially refreshing in your mind and making myself almost omnipresent by following you around on different platforms. Like if you just watch my YouTube channel, I think that if you see me on Facebook, it increases the depth of my brand, so to speak. All right, so just so you know, like how do I know, how do I follow you around? Basically what I've done is I've put the Facebook retargeting pixel on all of my web pages. All right, so if you've ever gone to my Deadbeat Super Affiliate homepage, deadbeatsuperaffiliate.com, or any of my free guides, you get tagged with my Facebook retargeting pixel. So after that, I then follow up with you and give you more content as you go. And I'm kind of like, now that I think of this, I'm like kind of the magician revealing the tricks, but that's totally okay. I want to give you guys what works right now. So that's what's going on there. And here's where I think I'm going to go with this next to really make this profitable. First things first is, and this is something I learned from Frank Kern, if you might have seen some of his Facebook advertising campaigns running here. Basically what I'm considering doing is making a couple more of these little 2 to 3 minute videos. So this is like a tutorial 1 to 2 minutes. 1 to 2 min. This is literally just a quick tutorial about making money online. There'll be two or three of those. Let's just say this one will be 1 minute, and the third one will be, let's just say, let's go all out and give it a 3-minute video. What I'm going to do then is you can set up Facebook so that anyone who watches each one of these videos to the end, you can tag them and then show another video. All right, now in this video, let's just say anyone who watches all 3 of these videos or one of the videos to the end, they get shown another video of your choice. Now, I think the best way to go about this is to do your pitching in the second tier follow-up video. This should be like a 3 to 5 minute video, roughly, I'd say 5 minutes to 7 minutes even. Again, I haven't tested this yet, but this is where I think is the sweet spot, about 5 minutes. This is where you're going to be giving more value, but now you're going to start pitching your products at the end of the second tier video. Why? Because, just so you know, this is what I think is the truth here, how it works, is when you keep your viewer on Facebook, you can get traffic a lot cheaper. So I think right now I'm paying literally like 2 pennies a view, or a penny a view, or even less than that. It might even be like a third of a penny a view for anyone who watches the video, because I'm not sending the viewer away from Facebook. Now, when you start adding your own links, I believe, I could be wrong about this, I haven't tested this yet, but when you start adding links to it, I think your cost to advertise your per view will go up. I'm not 100% certain about that. But more importantly is that when you get those viewers on this video, the second tier video or the second video in the funnel, they're going to be a lot higher quality viewer at that point. So that's the next step for me, is to test this little part out. It's going to require a little bit of extra, fudgery on my part. I have to modify some of my pages to get it to be Facebook compliant. But all in all, guys, I encourage you to try to implement this on any of your affiliate campaigns, whatever it is. It doesn't really matter. It could be, if you have an affiliate campaign, you might want to follow up with an opt-in. So you get your subscriber to opt in and get a free guide, or you could even have a review page, which could work if done correctly. Some people do that with Facebook paid advertising. So with all that said, guys, that's what I've been experimenting with lately, and also some webinar stuff. I've been learning a lot of new stuff recently. Now, if you want to get started, I do have a free guide that you can access right now. This is going to show you the basics of creating an online business from scratch. If you don't know what the heck you're doing, you're going to want to start there. And then once that's created, you can start implementing this tactic here today. So you can get that free guide at deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. It's 100% free. It's something you can implement literally in about an hour and get your online business up and running to the point where you start getting traffic and getting sales from scratch. I show you everything from niche selection, finding products to promote, creating content, getting views, getting attention, and ultimately turning that attention into affiliate commissions. So link below, or deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. With that said, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button for for all the online business tutorials that I release when I release them. Also, share this video with your friend and friend like you have one friend, and comment below. If you have any questions for me, I'm happy to help. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Keep an eye out for my video tomorrow. I'll see you deadbeats later.